Dive into the phrase, jump into. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an interesting English phrase, jump into. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings, how to use it in sentences, and its context in everyday conversation. Jump into can have a literal physical meaning. Imagine you're at the poolside, and you decide to get into the water by leaping. That's exactly what this phrase means in its literal sense. Example, he was so excited that he jumped into the pool without checking the water temperature. More commonly, jump into is used in a figurative sense to mean starting something quickly without necessarily being prepared or giving it much thought. Example 1. She jumped into the project without fully understanding its complexities. Example 2. I'm not one to jump into decisions. I like to think things through. In daily conversation, jump into is a versatile phrase that can fit into various contexts. 1. Work or projects, referring to starting a new task or assignment. Example, before you jump into this task, make sure you have all the tools you need. 2. Relationships, starting a relationship without getting to know the person well. Example, after his last breakup, he didn't jump into another relationship right away. 3. Discussions or arguments, entering a debate or discussion without being invited. Example, I didn't want to jump into their argument, but I felt I had to say something. We've taken a leap into understanding the phrase, jump into, today. It's a phrase that can be used both literally and figuratively, making it versatile in English conversations. I hope this video illuminates its meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself effortlessly jumping into English conversations.